For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The UK is considering minting a coin to commemorate Mahatma Gandhi amid growing interest in recognizing the contributions of people from the Black, Asian and other minority ethnic communities. British Finance Minister Rishi Sunak asked the Royal Mint Advisory Committee in a letter to pursue recognition of individuals from those communities. South Africa has reported more than 500,000 cases according to the country's health minister. The country has so far reported 5,03,290 COVID-19 cases and 8,153 COVID-19 deaths. South Africa is also the fifth worst affected country in the world. Several cities in the Middle East reported a temperature of up to 51 degrees Celsius amid the coronavirus pandemic. Scores of people staged protests over electricity shortages and lack of basic goods. 2 people were killed and 11 others injured during protests in Iraq's capital, Baghdad. Iran said that it has arrested the head of a US-based terrorist group accused of being behind a deadly 2008 bombing in the southern city of Shiraz and of other abortive attacks. The group's Jamshid Sharmad, who was leading armed and sabotage operations inside Iran from the intelligence ministry, has been arrested. America's top infectious diseases official has raised concerns over the safety of COVID-19 vaccine being developed in China and Russia. Several Chinese companies are at the forefront of the race to develop immunity to the disease, and Russia has set a target date of September to roll out its own vaccine. The US government has signed a deal with 2 major drug companies who will supply the United States government 100 million doses of an experimental coronavirus vaccine. The nation's top health agency predicted that fatalities would rise in the coming weeks. The agreement will pay French drug maker Sanofi and British pharmaceutical giant GlaxoSmithKline up to $2.1 billion to supply it with enough vaccines for 50 million people. Russian health authorities are preparing to start a mass vaccination campaign against COVID-19 in October. Doctors and teachers would be the first to receive the vaccine. Some health experts are concerned over Russia's fast-track approach. Thousands of people in the German capital Berlin took to streets protesting against the country's coronavirus restrictions. Protesters said measures including the wearing of face masks violated their rights and freedom. The police broke up the protest, saying organizers had not respected COVID-19 hygiene regulations. The United Arab Emirates has launched the world's first nuclear power plant on the Gulf Coast, just east of Qatar. Nuclear fission has begun in one of 4 reactors at the Barakah plant, which uses South Korean technology. The plant was expected to open in 2017, but the startup was repeatedly delayed because of various safety issues.